Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I am going to be working with a new company to this channel, which is called Kokorosa, and they're going to be dies. So let's get started. This is the first one I chose. It's called Hollow Fish Background Board. It is 3 1/16 inch around, and it is a school of fish. And this actually cuts into the paper. It does not cut it out around. Okay, so that was my first one. You also can use my discount code to get 20% off of your purchase, and that will be down in the description box. This next one I chose is called Jagged Heart Shaped Border, and it's a nesting die. You get 3 dies in the set. The largest one measures across 4 inches, and downward it measures 3 inches. The smallest one measures almost 2 inches, so it's 1 7/8 by 1. So you'll get 3 dies with this one. I can't wait to play with this one. It's going to be fun. Then the next one I chose is this strawberry, and I've got it upside down. There you go. It's this strawberry one with its leaves. It measures 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. So it's a very good size and very cute. And then the last dies I chose are called the Morning Glory. They're flowers, and you get all of these plus the vine of leaves. So let me put that down so I can measure it for you. So the vines measure 5 inches, and this flower right here measures 1 3/4 inch, and then you also get the shadows. And this one is 1 7/16. This one right here measures 1 3/8. This one is approximately 2 inches. This one right here is 1 1/2. And this one is 1 3/16. So I will come back in the next video and share some projects with some of these dies, and then I'll come back again and share the other ones. So thank you for watching, and again, all the links to these products will be down in the description box, as long as a 20% off discount code. Thank you guys. Bye.